Hi, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial video of Python series for absolute beginners, we are going to learn about the decorators in Python. What are their use cases? Also do check out other videos of Python series, I will add links in description. Before starting the video, if you are new here, do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to receive every video update. Thanks. One of the most unique features of the Python programming language is the decorator. That is the sign. You may have seen it everywhere in Python code. Of course, many other languages have decorator as well, but the concepts are different. In Python, the decorator can be defined extremely easily and utilized for any functions and classes. It's like a wrapper of the functions or classes that we use to add more behaviors of them without changing them. It is very useful when we want to add some behaviors to built-in or third-party functions classes, so we don't need to fork and modify the source code. Reuse these customized behaviors on multiple functions classes. Let's take a look at some code as follows. The above code is a definition of a decorator that decorates a function. Function decorator is the name of the decorator. Wrapped func is the name of the inner function, which is actually only used in this decorator definition. Func is the function that is being decorated. In the inner function wrapped func, we can do whatever before and after the func is called. After the decorator is defined, we simply use it as follows. Then, whenever we call the function func, the behaviors we've defined in the decorator will also be executed. By the way of defining a decorator is actually using Python closure, which is another feature of Python. Regularly follow my videos, I will make a video on this later on. I know, no one likes concepts only. Here is a simple example of Python decorator. Let's look at the code snippet. We have created a decorator. Now, let's use this decorator. Here we have a function test that actually print a statement hello world. Now, we are going to decorate this function. What will be the output of the function if we call it? Now, look at the output. In this decorator, we output 30 equal signs before and after the function is executed. Therefore, we can say that the decorator is used for adding top and bottom row of equal sign for any functions printing something. In this tutorial, I have introduced Python decorator and its basic usages. As these tutorials are for beginners who just started to learn Python, we try to keep the video short so they can easily learn and implement the concept. Have you guys any questions in your mind? Do not hesitate to ask in the comments section. If you want to learn Django, click on the link at the end of the video. Also do check out my other videos of Python series and Advanced Python. We are going to learn some exciting new in upcoming videos, so stay tuned. And do not forget to subscribe. Until the next video, goodbye.